Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick guide on how to create a poll on Discord using your PC, especially with the exciting new updates. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your computer. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and launch it now. Once you're in, find the chat where you want to send your poll. This could be a private message to a friend or a channel in one of your servers. Now, look to the left of the chat box. You'll see a plus icon. That's your next stop. Click on the plus icon to bring up a menu with options. From there, select Create a Poll. This feature makes it super easy to gather opinions from your friends or community. Now it's time to craft your question. Type in what you want to ask, then add in the possible answers. You can be as creative as you like here to get the best responses. Next, you'll want to set the duration for your poll. How long do you want people to vote? You can choose from various time frames, so set it according to your needs. Finally, once everything looks good, hit the post button. Your poll is now live, and you can sit back and watch the votes come in. And that's it. You've successfully created a poll on Discord using your PC. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy polling!